So now, once the child, you will do only on one object for the whole day. One umbrella, one doll, one bow, one saucer, one cup. The second day, you're going to do two, 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 and you'll introduce her to the numeral. Now, on the third day, you're going to again play 1 and 2 like you've just done, like I've just shown you. And on that day, you're going to put only the cups out. On one tray, we have 1 cup. On the other tray, we have 2 cups. And we look at it and say, oh, there is 1 cup for mama. 1 cup for mama. 1 cup. This is 1 cup for mama. And keep the 1 here. And here are 2 cups for mama and baby. 2 cups. This mama and baby. 2 cups. This is for mama and baby. This is 2 cups. This is 1 cup. As you can see, I've repeated it 2 or 3 times. And then I take these away. And I can just ask her, can you show me where 2 cups are for mama and baby? Mama and baby, she might just react to mama and baby. She may not react to 2. She may not. But she can point and she might just give you both the cups. And she might give you, show me 1 cup only for mama. She might give you this. It's a might. If she's stressed and she cannot do it, please repeat this step of showing 1 cup for mama and 2 cups for mama and baby. When you play this with her, then you remove these and you can do the same with spoons. This is a spoon for mama. This is 1 spoon and this is 2 spoons. As you go with different objects, forget the mama and the baby and keep saying 1 spoon and 2 spoons. And again do 1 spoon and 2 spoons. There's no testing here. There's only telling. Please remember that. Don't question and don't test. It is just statements. 1 spoon, 2 spoons. And you can as well change the object. You can do the same with 1 pencil and 2 pencils. 2 pencils. Whenever you do this, again, please let the symbol and the sound go together. 1 pencil, 2 pencils. Only after this is very thorough and you know that she knows it, when you're absolutely certain that she knows it, that's the time to say, okay, give me 2 pencils. You have to do it 3 ways. Give me 2 pencils and she has to pick up both the pencils and give it to you. Or give me 1 pencil. At this point, make sure your hand is in the center. We tend as teachers to actually point it to the correct answer with our hands. Keep your hand in the center and say, now give me 1 pencil. 1 pencil. Give me 2 pencils. 2 pencils. And what I'm going to insist is that she sees 2 as 2 and 1 as 1. Here, do not say 1 and 2. Don't start counting it. Just show her 2 and show her 1. You could again repeat this many times and then say, okay, can you keep this? Can you match this to 2 pencils? Here. Can you match this to 1 pencil? Here. So this is how you begin the number concept. You do 1 and 2 for a week and then only understand, only then turn into 3, 4 and 5. If you do 3, 4 and 5 in the first 10 days, it can take you even a month. She just keep repeating 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only the next month you should go from 6 to 10. Thank you.